Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today in this video you will see very good profit in US dollar versus Japanese yen. This will give you good knowledge about trading. Guys, watch the video completely so that you do not miss the important points. I am applying the trade according to my risk management. See you guys after some time. Guys, all our trades have been placed well. We have $3,389 in our account which we are going to grow today. Here I will follow risk management and psychology very well, which you will see in the video. Guys, market always repeats the same pattern again and again. This is the nature of market. We should observe these patterns carefully so that we can trade on the same pattern again and again. Now I will create a trend channel here for which I am taking trend line. The market is moving downwards, creating lower high points on this trend line. We can also call these points as trendline resistance points. The market is respecting this trend line very well. We will connect the second trend line with the same angle at the lower low points. This trend line is acting as oversold in the market. Whenever the market has touched this trend line, we have seen an upward move. Here you can see a perfect downtrend channel where we can see good patterns for the selling side. Now we will create strong reversal level, which will give a signal about the exact position of the market. For this I am using rectangle tool. The market has created multiple reversal points at this level, due to which this level is being respected very well. Here the market first took support and later broke this level and created resistance points, due to which a support become resistance pattern has been created here, which is a strong downtrend pattern. Whenever such patterns are created in the market, the chances of the market going down increase significantly. We have applied the trade keeping this pattern in mind, hence we expect the market to go below this level. Our analysis work is complete here. Now we have to apply stop loss and target point, which is very important. My stop loss here will be above the strong reversal level and outside the trend channel, which is 20 pip up. Until the market breaks above this strong support resistance level, our trade is safe. And the target point will be 40 pip below where the market is planning to move. The market may make a new lower low or even lower to our target point. Guys, our profit has increased here, which is running around $300. This profit will increase further. We just have to be patient and focus on the trading process. Let's place stop loss and target point. Guys, you will easily see the stop loss and target point. We will not close the trade in between until either of these is hit. The market always supports a good trader because only a good trader understands the sentiments of the market. The market always creates the same pattern again and again, so we should know that this pattern is repeated again. A professional trader waits patiently for his setups and works only with high probability setups. Guys, now we wait till the market achieves our target. If you like the video, then please like it.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Woo! Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch.
Very nice, guys. The market hit our target point after a lot of consolidation. Here the market broke the trend line but could not break our strong reversal level, and from here the market has come downwards. This was our high probability setup, due to which we captured a good move. Here we kept our psychology strong, due to which we got a good result. Now I will draw the next level here and tell you what kind of pattern the market has created here. The market first took support at this level and now it is breaking it and going down, due to which a support become resistance pattern has been created here, which is a downtrend pattern. It gives us an idea that the market may go down further. Here I am removing both the trend lines so that you can clearly understand that the market had moved a bit sideways here. The market has broken this level below, due to which we are getting another selling opportunity. Now we close our trade. Our goal is accomplished. Guys, right now our profit is around $5,100. We had $3,389 in this account, which has now become $8,675 after profit. In this trade we kept a lot of patience and remained calm in the trade. The probability of any trade is always 50/50. Here no one knows which candle will form next, so always follow the risk to reward ratio, where you will always be in profit. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.